Students, now I am going to teach 11th standard physics definition and rules of significant figure. What is mean by significant figure? The number of meaningful digits in a number is called significant figure, or the number of meaningful digits which contain numbers that are known reliably and first uncertain number is called significant figure. Rules for counting significant figure. First point, all the non-zero digit are significant figure. Example 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Here no zero, only numbers. So except 0, all the numbers are significant figure. So 1, 3, 5, 6, 7 has 5 significant figure. Second point, all zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Example 40008. In between the two non-zero digit, 0 came. So the 0 is also significant figure. First point, except 0, all the numbers are significant figure. Second point, 0 also significant when it comes between the two non-zero digit. So here, second example, 4, 8 is a non-zero digit. In between the two digit, 3 zeros there. So the 3 zeros also significant figure. So 40008 as 5 significant figure. Third point, all 0 to the right of a non-zero digit. See the example 307. So 7 is a non-zero digit. 7 right hand side, 2 0 is there. This is the all zeros to the right hand non-zero digit, but left of the decimal point are significant. So third example, the zeros right hand non-zero 7, 0 is there, but left hand decimal point 0. So 0 is a significant figure. So 3070 point as 5 significant figure. Again I repeat this point. Here 2 zeros right hand side of the 7, that is non-zero digit 7, right hand side 2 0 is there. The 2 0 is comes left hand side of a decimal point. So here the 2 0 is a significant figure. So 30700 as 5 significant figures. Fourth point, for a number without a decimal point, the terminal zeros are not significant. So already I told one point, the zeros comes right of the non-zero digit, but left decimal point the 0 is not significant, 0 is significant, but here zeros comes at the right of the non-zero digit but without decimal point. So 0 are not significant. So 30700 as 3 significant figure. Here the 2 zeros right of the 7 but no decimal point left side. So 0 is not a significant figure. So it has 3 significant figure. Fifth point, all zeros are significant if they come from a measurement. Example 30700 meter. So here a meter is a measurement. So that time 0 is a significant. So it has 5 significant figure. So listen carefully, children. The 0 comes right of the non-zero digit, but left of the decimal point. 0 is a significant, but the 0 comes right of the non-zero digit 7, but left side no decimal point. So here 0 is not a significant figure. The 0 comes right of the non-zero decimal, but in this non-zero digit, but left side measurement is there. So here 0 is significant figure. Point 6. That is, if the number is less than 1, that is less than 1, 0.1, 0.8, fractional number. The zeros on the decimal point, but to the left of the first non-zero digit are not significant. Example, 0.00345, here less than 1. So left decimal point 10, right decimal point right 20 is not significant. So it has 4 significant figure. All zeros to the right of a decimal point are significant. 40.00. So here 00 after the decimal point, so it has significant figure. So 40.00 has 4 significant figures. Next, 8th point. The number of significant figure does not depend on the system of unit used. For example, 1.53 centimeter has 3 significant figure. The 1.53 centimeter is converted into meter. It has value 0.0153 meter. It also has 3 significant figure. So here decimal point left 0, decimal point right hand side 0 is not a significant. So it has 153, 3 significant figure. The 0.0153 meter is converted into kilometer. So we obtain 0.000153 kilometer. So the same rules also follow here. Left hand side decimal point 0, right hand side decimal point 0 are not significant. So it has 3 significant figure. So all of this having 3 significant figure. The right of the non-zero digit of a decimal point all significant. I told already, decimal point left 0, decimal point right hand side 0 is not significant, but 0 comes at the end of the non-zero digit. So 0 is significant. So it has 30400 as 5 significant figures. This is the following examples of significant figure. First example, 6008. So the zeros are significant. It comes between 2 non-zero digit. So it has 4 significant figure. Zeros comes in between 2 non-zero digit. 0 is a significant. Second example, the zeros comes end of the non-zero digit. That is 8 is a non-zero digit. End of the 8 to 0 is there. So that 0 is not significant. So it has 4 significant figure. Third point, the zeros comes end of the non-zero digit, but left of the decimal point 0. So 0 is significant. So 6 significant figure. Fourth example, 5123.0. So the point 0 is decimal point the 0. So it has 5 significant figure. Fifth example, 0.00. So this is less than 1. The 0 comes decimal point left side, right side. 0 is not a significant. So it has only 1 significant figure. Sixth, it comes in measurement. So it has 3 significant figure. Seventh, 0 comes end of the non-zero digit. 0 are not significant. So it has only 1 significant figures.